Woo-hoo, got him.
Woo! Look at that one, babe.
Look at that, guys. What's up? Oh, that's a big dude, man.
He's pretty awesome.
How big is he? Oh my goodness.
He's huge.
Hey Adam, I did exactly what you said, man. Thanks. We got him.
I got it.
He's coming. Oh, he's coming. He's coming. He's coming. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, he's heavy. Come on, baby. Go. Come on now. Don't bust my line. Don't bust my line. Don't bust my line. Oh, he's a big boy. Oh no. Oh, don't go yet.
Is that the same one?
No, no, it ain't the same one.
Oh.
Look at that.
Oh my goodness.
That's even bigger.
He's even bigger, right? Oh, okay, that was not too bad. Here you go. Look at that guy. Second one, and what? 10 minutes?
Yeah.
10 minutes. Give him a kiss.
Not
real quick.
even.
Not even. Oh man.
This is the dirty water.
All right, we're gonna throw him back in. We don't keep him.
I don't think that was it.
How's it going, everybody? Shortdogg fishing here. You know, there's one thing I love doing is showing people how to fish that are new to fishing. You know, they come to me and they ask me, where do I go fishing? You know, what do I catch? What do I use for bait? And I love sharing that information with everybody with no problem at all. Then my brother-in-law comes up to me and tells me, I got a fishing tank in the back, but I'm not catching any fish. What can I do to catch these fish? So I gave him a few tips and he ended up catching fish right away. It was an awesome feeling. And that's why I'm here today, to buy him a proper bass fishing catching machine. Okay guys, after looking at all the rods that they had in there, we came across this one right here. It's an Abu Garcia, Jordan Lee. Looks like a great rod. It's 7 foot, just what he needs right here. And we also got some of my favorite lures that I love using at a tank right here. We're gonna go ahead and hook him up with the 14-pound Berkeley. Smooth cast? Yes, sir. So with this one and all this setup right here, I'm pretty sure he's gonna catch plenty of fish. Let's go see. Okay guys, we're here at his house right now. We're about to drop off this stuff. Let's check out his reaction.
Oh, he sees you.
Michael!
Oh, what up, man?
What's up? I saw the fish yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Come in.
Well, check this out, dude.
Oh, what
I
is
saw that rod that you had. I had to get you one, man.
Oh, heck yeah, man. Oh,
there you
shit.
go. That's a proper bass rod right there, man.
Cool, we'll come in,
Bait
man.
caster. I got you this. Let's check it out.
Dude,
Look at that. The video starting already and you already see the fish jumping right here. Well, we brought him a spinner bait. One of my favorites to fish out of tank right here. So basically, keep your thumb on the rope.
Okay.
Make sure it doesn't get crazy on you. All right, so you hold it right there. That's a nice cast.
Oh, wow.
Just bring it in. Keep even pace Reel it and just reel it in right there. Don't come above. Keep it low. There you go.
Okay.
So just hold it. Yeah, push the button. Hold the spool. Yeah, switch hands. Switch hands. There you go. Push the button. Hold the spool. Put your hand right here on the bottom.
Okay.
And do this. Don't throw it yet. I'm just gonna show you right here.
Okay.
Boom. Release it. When it's right there, lightly like this.
Okay.
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 Right there.
Okay. Well, okay.
It's all right. It's all right. Put it in. Do it again.
So my thumb's got to stay on it the whole time.
No, not the whole time. Just keep it controlled. You want to just barely touch it.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, I got it. I got it. I got it.
Get it out there. There you go. Reel it in before it hits the ground. Constant reel. Repeat. Get it farther this time.
All right. All right.
Don't be scared. Swing it out there. You're releasing it too far back. You got to release it more about here.
Okay. Come on, baby. Oh, man, that looks good.
All right. Let me see. Make sure I got the gears all set up right. Make sure it's not too tight.
All right.
Look how far that goes.
See, that's where
See how far that went?
yeah, that's where I catch him when I come this way.
Alright.
Look there, he just jumped out right
Yeah.
there. See, that's look right there. I see him.
Yeah, go ahead. There you go. Little practice, you get it. Well, I'm out of here for now, Michael. Good luck. Hopefully you catch him, but
All right, man. We're on our way. Adam, I got him with the reel, baby. Got him.
Ain't nothing to it but to do it.
This guy's big.
Get him in here.
You got him. Got him a little big one.
There you go.
Okay.
Huh?
All right. Now I got in trouble for this last time, but right here.
Oh, get him underneath the jaw. In the jaw.
Oh, he got
Get
him.
from the bottom mouth right there.
The
That's
bottom
right.
out. Okay, the
Yeah,
bottom
get him
out.
right there.
Okay, right there, just like that.
Get him underneath
Adam.
there, huh?
Got him with the fishing reel, baby.
Nice.
He's pretty good size. All right, man. Well, there you go. Hold on, let me show the fishing reel. The one. There
There
it
it
is.
is.
All right, there we go.